Hello everyone! In today's video, we will witness the awe-inspiring yet terrifying power of nature. From earthquakes shaking entire cities, floods submerging entire neighborhoods, to fierce storms tearing everything apart in their path. It's a terrifying sight. Days of heavy rain not only flooded the roads, but also weakened the structure of the soil and rocks. The mass of earth and rock began to destabilize, and eventually, they could no longer hold together. In a dreadful landslide, the entire area collapsed, crushing houses near the foot of the mountain. Fortunately, thanks to preparation and vigilance, everyone quickly evacuated to safety to avoid this tragic disaster. It was horrifying. Just a few minutes was all it took. A 7.4 magnitude earthquake turned everything around into an unimaginable chaotic scene. Amidst the chaos, a girl struggled every second to keep her balance while objects flew and collided around her. The sudden appearance of the tornado terrified a man. Fortunately, he spotted the approaching danger just in time and quickly ran to safety. Perhaps you've never experienced the feeling of passing through the eye of a storm. Imagine sitting in a car, slowly driving into the heart of a sandstorm. In the Arabian desert, strong winds whip up fine sand, covering everything and creating a deafening noise. The light outside dims, and the air inside the car becomes suffocating, making you feel like you've stepped into a surreal world. Time seems to stand still, and everything becomes a test of patience as you wait for the storm to pass. The forest is constantly under threat, capable of turning a small flame into a devastating firestorm within hours. Strong winds combined with dry fuel like leaves and branches create the perfect conditions for the fire to spread. If not detected and extinguished in time, it can quickly engulf vast forests and cause severe damage. A tornado struck several provinces in China, bringing with it terrifying and destructive power. The person filming these images might not have realized the extreme danger they were in while recording. It was terrifying how a fierce flood swept through Valencia, uprooting trees and carrying countless debris from deep within the forest. The rising water level quickly submerged small houses, sweeping away livestock and everything in its path. The scene of devastation covered the once peaceful village, leaving the people of Valencia in utter horror as they watched their homeland be destroyed. If you feel tense watching this moment, leave a number 1 in the comments section. A tornado suddenly hit Kamishirani Elementary School in Yokohama while the children were practicing baseball. Everyone quickly and urgently evacuated the children to safety, ensuring no one was harmed in this terrible storm. The terrible power of nature once again proves its majesty. The rising tides caused by Santa Cruz turned the coastal streets into vast bodies of water, with violent, foaming waves crashing onto the shore, carrying sand, gravel, and destroying everything in their path. The west and north coasts of New Zealand's South Island endured horrific wet weather. Many roads were cut off, submerged in water, and covered with landslides, trees, and mud, completely erasing some sections. The peaceful life of Sainte Marie was completely upended by a historic flood. The river water rose, submerging homes and fields. The locals faced increasing difficulties with a shortage of food, clean water, and shelter. However, despite these challenges, they didn't lose faith. Boats became essential for their daily lives, helping them move around to find food and support one another. The 302nd Sports Day at Asahikawa Atago Higashi Elementary School was happening in a joyful atmosphere. The students were playing, the teachers were chatting and laughing, and everyone was having a great time. But then, the clear sky suddenly darkened. An unusually hot wind blew through, carrying a thick cloud of dust, and no one had time to react. A large tornado appeared suddenly, sweeping away everything in its path. The sound of screams and shattering objects filled the chaotic air as the tornado shattered what had been a beautiful, peaceful summer afternoon. The Shire Glacier, once a stunning natural masterpiece, suddenly turned into a devastating force when it collapsed, releasing a massive torrent of water that swept away everything in its path. Houses, trees, bridges, nothing could withstand the power of the rushing water. The footage captured was incredible, almost as if you were there. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.